Hello everyone, welcome back here at La Arnie's Kitchen and Food Creations. Today I would like to share with you on how to make rice puto rice using regular rice flour. So never use glutinous rice flour or the malagkit because you will forfeit its purpose. This is very easy type of steaming process and a very traditional type of dessert or merienda or snacks. So what are the very basic ingredients that we have? So I'm using rice flour. So you can always purchase this from an Asian store or Filipino store or even some of the grocery store that carries this kind of product. So rice flour. So I'm going to use 2 cups of rice flour. So rice puto means steam rice cake. So this is 1 cup. So I'm using simple whisk, or you can use ladle if you want. So this is another cup. So 2 cups of rice flour, 1/2 cup of white granulated sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of table salt or iodized salt. I added that into the dry ingredients. So that's the kind of salt I use. And then this is my baking powder. I use 1 tablespoon of baking powder. So just put that into the dry mixture. And then what we will do is we're going to mix this probably maybe 15 seconds just to incorporate all the dry ingredients together. And come join with me as I'm going to preheat my steamer. So prior to continue on mixing my batter mixture, so I have this boiling water and I'm using my steamer to steam this rice puto. Friends, our dry mixture is ready. Now I'm using coconut cream. If you have the access to fresh coconut milk, that will be very good. The taste is really different from this coconut milk in a can. So I use this 400 mLs, which is equivalent to 2 cups of coconut milk. So 1 can of coconut milk equivalent to 2 cups of coconut milk. So I would just add this one here. Then simply mix it until no more lumps. Okay, lovely friends, this is now ready. Our batter mixture is ready. Just mix it good for 1 minute or 60 seconds. So this is the consistency. So until no more lumps, then it is ready for me to pour this into my plastic molders. You can, if you don't have plastic molders, you can use those little aluminum tin foils or muffin molders. But sometimes the muffin molders cannot really put in here, like it will not fit. Depends upon how big is your steamer. Well, friends, you can grease your plastic molders or never mind greasing it because it will just be taken it will be loosened once your puto is done or once it's cool off. Okay, so I'll have to get a portion of my butter mixture and just pour it here. So at least 2/3 of batter mixture has to be poured into your puto molders. Then I have to put that one here and repeat same procedure. So there you go, friends. So I'll have to steam this now. This is ready to be steamed in a hot boiling point of water. But by the way, I produced 14 pieces in total. And if you want to add some flavoring like ubi or langka or mango, whatever flavor, you can just add and mix the flavor into your batter mixture and you're good to go. Wonderful, friends, the very, very good tip in steaming process so you can produce very good growth of your puto. Your water should be at a boiling point of its temperature, and you should not be opening in and out so that the growth will be intact. Look at that. Okay, there you go. Cover it. I do not really need to put or wrap it in cloth. I'm just fine doing this like this. Okay, and I'll have to set my timer for 15 minutes. There you go. Set that aside and we'll check after 15 minutes. Okay, wonderful, friends. 15 minutes has ended up, so I'll have to cancel it. So come, let's check our rice puto. Wow, this is really gorgeous. Beautifully done. So lovely, friends. Thank you very much for watching La Arnie's Kitchen and Food Creations. Stay tuned for more cookings and bakings here at my little kitchen. I hope you have fun watching me as I always present simple ways of doing some kitchen stuff, the way I cook food for my family, friends, and my co-workers. I love you guys, and this is our finished product.